Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I have a special video today. That's right, I made it to 500 subscribers over the weekend. That's right, 500 subscribers? Are you serious? I am so excited, I am very happy, and I want to thank everyone who has subscribed, and it's just going to get better. As I've been telling you on the weekly updates, we're going to have so many fun videos coming up. We're going to do all sorts of good, exciting videos. We're going to do palette videos. We're going to do spring stake videos. We're going to do magical prop videos. We're going to do puppet videos. We're going to do all sorts of fun projects you can do, quick tips, everything you can think of. So all 500 subscribers, I want to thank you very much. And I want you to go out and tell all your friends about my shows, because then we'll have more subscribers and we'll be able to do more things. But I want to thank you, though, very much for subscribing to my channel. Again, this is a special update. This is the 500 subscribers video. And I don't know if they give anything away from YouTube for 500 subscribers. Maybe it's a piece of paper or something. I don't know. You've seen the ones that they do, the fancy ones. But the main thing is thank you very much. Now, for those of you who have been here, that's what this video is all about. Thank you very much. For those of you who are choosing to visit the first time, go check out some of the other videos. And while you're there, please like or subscribe to the videos and or the channel, and you'll get all the updated videos as they come along. Thank you again. This is the DIY Magician. And it is a thank you to all my subscribers for getting to 500. We just hit 500. So thank you again. Until next time, this is the DIY Magician.